No thanks. Hit the button. Wait. It's the opposite. Don't hit the button. Wait, don't. I don't know what happened. Wait, what is this? Wait, why they? What did they just do? Stand on the correct colour. Ah! That was close. Wait, can I jump on this? Yes. Oh, red. There's a red there, so I'll just pop on it. Nope. Oh, she died. That's why you gotta be careful. Just like me. That is simple. Okay. I'm actually doing so good. Wait, why did I just say that? No, wait. Wait, I thought we were gonna die. Do I just do it again? I'm gonna die. Oh, I can't even breathe. Did I just make that? Wait, I'm almost here. Wait, what? This game is so easy. Wait, let me jump off that. You know what? 1. Wait, where am I? Oh, guys, that was too easy. Oh, look, I'm the first one. Why does she have a big hair? Oh, wait, I'm gonna press it. They already? Stop the incoming touching balls by touching them. I got that. Let's press this. Press this. Let's press. I said it was good. No. Why did I just say no? I'll come on this side. 3 balls got into the goal. You're out. What? Wait, built snowman. I only got a bit of seconds. How did you die? What the freak is that fair? No, wait, waste of time. Wait, this is a different one. Okay, this one's more easy. Okay, right. Gotta make it in 10 seconds. Oh, I died. I'm not gonna make it in time. No. Wait, someone built it? Huh? I swear. Okay. What? It didn't. Oh, get to the top. Why? Okay. Get to the top. Oh, got to the top. We're in a tight space. This is gonna be the end of it. Bye, guys. Ah! But where are we? Don't fall in the lava. Wait, what does that do? Oh, they just tilted it. We'll stop tilting it. I swear, stop. Freedom. Guys, sorry me. Oh, I died, guys. I'm still so boom. Oh wait, what's I doing? By the way, guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Jump over the wall. Oh, that is so fast. Oh. Why is it coming so fast? I swear, I need to breathe. My gosh. That was good. Feed the giant noob. What stupid noob? No. Wait, this level down. Is that good? Okay, then here we go. That means that girl. Come on, then. We just stopped. I am leaving. I hope you like the game. Like and subscribe. I hope you. Sorry, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And final words, like and subscribe. Bye.